So we start off today's video with this beautiful ash blonde pixie haircut. I am loving the blunt bangs within this particular cut. It really frames out her face beautifully. And then she does go in with a flat iron and creates a very nice messy texture. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. I love this cut and color combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some haircut options and ideas that you can play around with. So if you've been thinking of going shorter or doing something different with your hair, this video is for you. So here we have a beautiful bob haircut. Gorgeous. Loving her color, especially in the back. Nice dimensional tone. And I think that the cut accents her face shape so well. So here we have a transformation by Alfredo Lewis and Philip Wolf. They always do amazing work together. Beautiful lob haircuts, going in with some color. The stylist is cutting the hair shorter with this bob. Oh wow, look at how the color came out. So pretty. Oh wow, this is absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a layered bob haircut that they did. Beautiful. And then we have a pixie cut. Nice design going there through the back and to the sides. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, so she decided to cut her hair into more of like a lob and get some color as well. And it looks like we have a bob transformation here. Nice, simple, effortless neck length style bob. Oh, we have someone getting a pixie. So she ended up getting more of like a pixie faded cut. Very nice design going there on the side. Beautiful. And we're seeing a lot of pixie fades right now as well. Huge hair trend, especially for the summer. Next up, we have someone with beautiful curly hair. And they decided to get like a little curly, shaggy cut. Very pretty. Wow. well. This is absolutely stunning. The texture of her hair is just gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.